Okay, I kind of didn't judge my water stream properly, so I've kind of got Power Ranger on here. But I'm not getting out and changing it. And you wouldn't even believe the water in the swimming pool. I'm gonna have to shower after I clean him. He is nasty. Would you get over here so they don't think I'm out here making stuff up? Okay, now we're going to the dryer. We're going to go to the dryer cycle. We'll see how that works. To continue.